Here is the app called Shortn. So nope, you can just search it like that. Shortn app. Short while video hits. It's kind of alternative to TikTok. So here you can just see it. There are a bunch of other alternatives which are there. So yeah, here is the app called Shortn, and you can just open it up. Then there are a lot of ads, so I don't know how legit is it. So you can see a lot of ads. And then you can just see a lot of, then you can just also create your own content. Then you can see your profile, and then just, that's the idea. Premium, if you want to have ads free, $5 per month, yearly $50, week $2. Settings, purchases. So you can see you can connect. And that's basically what you have in here. That's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, something like that. So there you have it.